Oh brother, I was looking for my pliers and forgot they were right over here. I see lots of faucets have the aerator, just a small one where you can unscrew it easier than this one, and I'm hoping this little bit will just unscrew, but I'm not quite sure if it will or if this whole thing unscrews. You know what? I think maybe the whole body, the whole head comes off. Not sure. Look at that. I'm hoping that whole thing is going to unscrew here. Yeah, it's coming. Look at that. Because I thought, you know me, when she said she wanted a new faucet, I thought, hey, maybe I can fix it first. Look at that. Look at that. Does that tell you something right there? It's all clogged up, isn't it? And usually when an aerator clogs, if you get a screen of the aerator that clogs like this, generally you don't get a nice flow of water coming out of there. And I think I'll better get a little bowl or something. Maybe I can get a glass. I'll just get a glass, put some water in it. There, we'll get that out of there. Oh, okay, here's the little head there. I wonder if that would just, oh yeah, it does pop out. It push that in and it will come out like that. Now I got to remember how it goes back in and stuff. There's a little rubber goodie there. I'll make sure I put that on the same way. Now I can kind of rinse this out. I should grab my little, I've got a little toothbrush. In fact, I think we might have one underneath this sink too. Whenever I get done using a toothbrush and changing it out, I like to save it. I'm not use that for a cleaning brush. I don't see it. I've got it in the other bathroom. I'll be right back. We'll get that clean. I want to make sure that aerator gets all the way clean, that screen. Okay. This is not wanting to get it off very well. I do have a little wire brush. Might have to get a stiffer bristle brush to kind of wipe on there to get that. I want to get all those little marks off of there. It looks pretty clean there, doesn't it? I know I can do a little bit better job, so I've got a little metal brush. I'll be right back.